Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today is probably the most exciting vlog kind of that I've ever done in my YouTube series. Oh my god. Today is March 19th. It's a Friday, which means spring break is here. It's currently 4:40 and I finished school about 3 hours ago. I am so excited for this video because of a couple of things. First of all, if you've seen the intro, you already kind of like saw the overview of this video, but Marvel releases their, what's it called? The Falcon and the Winter Soldier like series. I hope that is good. I'm going to watch that right now. And then later tonight, we are getting a dog. But it's not our dog. We're actually dog sitting for the weekend. I think it's a half poo, so it's a mixture of a poodle and a havanese, I'm guessing. This is kind of another weekend vlog. I did a weekend vlog like 3 weeks ago. So this is the second one. Hi guys, we got the dog. or they dropped her off. So it's a girl. Where's our car? She is so small, I swear to God. Here, let me show her because you probably don't want to see me talking. Dori! Dori, come on. I'm trying to wait for her to pee. I think she peed earlier, but she's so small that I don't even know, like... She pee? Oh my god, I swear to God, she's the cutest thing ever. But she's a little shy to humans, which is really sad. Because I haven't even like held her up yet. Oh, wait, is she peeing? Tori, let's go. Good girl, let's go. So yeah, her owners are going on vacation for the weekend. So our family, well, my family is gonna dog sit her over the weekend. I think they're gonna pick her back up on Sunday, I believe. Just look how small she is. She's so cute. Yeah, I don't think she knows her name yet. Hi guys, it's the next day, and obviously as you can see, I'm outside with Dori. Dori! Wow, she's so white in this. So she's still learning basic commands. She knows sit. She doesn't have it down, but she knows sit. She peed earlier, so I gave her a little treat. We're currently on a walk because according to the weather, this is the only time it's not gonna rain. Look, she's so small. I bet you she's, I don't think she's even like 10 pounds. She's probably like 9 or something. Oh no. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Doria. Doria. Hi again. I literally look so bad right now. I live in Oregon, so it's normal that it rains, which is fine. I'm used to, no, don't eat the straw. Ew. So as you can see, I'm walking Dori. And it's raining, so because she's a puppy, I have to walk her every 2 to 3 hours because her bladder is small. She can't hold the pee. Okay, wait, I have to get the mail, so give me a second. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Did you find your bone? Go to my room. Where's she? Oh! Get the bone! Bone! Oh, is my light on? Oh, okay. She's resting her head on my leg, on my arm. My arm hurts. It's been an hour.
엄마가 담배 피지 말라 그러지 않았니?
Come here! Come here! Come here! Oh, she's so scared. Look at her tail. She's sleeping now. Like, her face is in my hand. I don't know if you can see. Hi guys, so today is actually Friday, March 26th, and I'm walking Dori, and Dori is little puppy right here. Dori! 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 Dori, come here. Come here, what's this? What's this? Is this a snack? Good girl, sit. Dori? Dori? 손. No, 손. Good girl. 단 손. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. I taught her that. I taught her hand in 2 days. Good girl. Good girl. Dori, look. Dori, look. Is that you? Is that you? Is that you? Okay. Did you see that? I'm so proud of her. Oh, good girl, Dori. Dori, good girl. I've been like teaching her some like basic commands kind of, and you know, she's a little shy, which is okay, but I don't know, I think she's just like shy, like her personality is just shy in general. But yeah, that's what my week has been like during spring break. I've been watching her, picking up her poop, teaching her some basic, very, very basic commands. And I've been walking her when the weather is nice. It's been so fun getting to dog sit her. I really want a puppy of my own. I really want one. I mean, I will say, honestly, like just from like dog sitting her over this past week, it is a lot of work. No, that's poop. Sorry, I had to stop her from eating poop, like a big poop. If you do want a puppy, you should probably dog sit first to see how it feels like. Like, ask your friends if you can or whatever, because puppies are a really, no, not puppies, dogs. Dogs are a handful. So, yeah. Because you have to like walk them outside every day too and pick up their poop. She is so hyper right now. Dori, we're almost home. So cute. She's like, what are you doing? Dori? Dori야. Dori야. I know, right? Wait, what time is it? It's 8:30?
I don't know, you're the one with the phone.
I'm videotaping. I'll probably never see her again.
Yes, I am hopeful for today. Take this music and use it. Let it take you away. And be hopeful, and he'll make a way. I know it ain't easy, but that's okay, cause we hopeful.
I wish that you could show some love instead of hating so much when you see some other people coming up. I wish I could teach the world to sing, write some music.